Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're having the airplane that glides.
Oh, that's pretty sweet.
And it broke. But it didn't break. I'm gonna try to throw it.
Throw it. Just toss it lightly.
So here we go. 3. There it goes. And that was me that threw it.
You want to throw it? Throw it that way.
Throw it. Let's throw it again. How far?
Really well, actually.
How high? This is gonna be really cool. Throw it. Shit. Oh no. We're in the man's yard. Let's throw it again.
Maybe we can go out in the park.
Let's throw it again. Daniel, watch out! There it goes. Landing.
Let's take it down to the park in a little bit.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yep. I'll bring my tablet so we can make another video of part 2. Ding.
Come on.
Okay. We're going inside? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're going to make a second one really soon. It's really fun. You should try it out on your own. I don't know where to get
Let's go, buddy.
And so I hope to see you guys in another video. See ya.